In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a motion blur in Blender. We need an animated mesh to create a motion blur. Let's create a 20-frame animation, and move a mesh like this. The idea is to stop the frame in the middle, render the scene, and use composite nodes to add a motion blur. If you don't see a teapot in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Here are my material details. Please use any background light setups available. To create an animation, move the mesh to the left side and type I as in India to set a new keyframe. After that, go to the last frame, move the mesh to the right, and set a new keyframe. I'm using 16 samples to save time. Please remember to increase the sample values before rendering. There is our motion blur, and I'll show you the composite node details. Here are the full nodes, and the most important part is the render layers nodes vector. We must manually enable this option, because it's turned off by default. Please remember to experiment with the vector blur node settings to stretch the blur effect. By the way, we can't do this in Eevee, because there's no vector option available. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.